you see these files? What if I told you I can access it without AirDrop, iCloud or anything? Just go over here, and here is the connected IP address of the server. Click over here, click on the user, documents, it is stored in documents, check our gradient. You know what? You got it. You got everything. Look, the first name of the file is Chalk, and here also Chalk. This is my wallpaper. You can download it from below. So this is a very secret, not secret, I'm just telling it's very underrated features of the Mac. So today I'm going to cover the video on how to convert your Mac into a file server or internet server. So first of all, you gotta head to system settings, or if you don't know what it is, it's just the settings app, and come over here, general sharing, and over here file sharing should be turned on. As you can see, file sharing should be turned on. Media sharing, if you want, you can. And the next thing is internet sharing, and there we go, it has been finished. So after doing this or everything, just have to click over the icon and allow everything in internet sharing. Then come over here, file sharing. You have this IP address, as you can see. So what you have to do is, let me switch over to the phone. So let's turn on the phone, come over here, and so what you have to do is just, as you can see, there is an IP address given over here. So let us just type over here, the first 3-digit or character will be SMB, and I think it is like sharing and MB, I don't know, MacBook, sorry, sharing of MacBook, and I don't know if it is correct, but I think it is correct. So mine is 168.10. I'm using this for a long time. When I'm editing the video file I'm sharing, as you can see, open this file, page in files, click open. As you can see, connect, and just put your username or username of the MacBook login and your MacBook's password in registered user, and no, registered user, and next. So it's through router it's happening. When I'm editing files, as I told you, I am editing in DaVinci. So when I'm editing, I need the files in full quality, as I'm shooting in 4K this video also. So after all, I have to take the file from the phone to here. So while I'm doing that, using AirDrop will be a menace. So after doing that, you have to click over here, allow full disk or disk access for all user, and done. So if you have Windows for like this, you got to click over here, here, and click on option, and click here Windows file sharing. So yep, when we click that, it will be available, but I don't need Windows, and it's all through your router or your internet. And I have an Orbi router, I will show you here. As you can see, I have an Orbi router, so it's kind of fast. It's Wi-Fi 6E, so I can take full advantage of that through this. So yep, it's the same router used by MKBHD. He also featured in his YouTube video. So maybe your internet speed can be handy. So thanks for watching. My name is Rayan and you are watching Sakar. Peace.